may prinsesa, gano'n. So, gusto ko rin siyang gawin sa, kahit man lang sa TV, may experience mo siya. Mala Princess Diaries yung gano'n. Yung mahirap ka nung una, tapos mayamang ka pala yung gano'n.
I want to experience that too.
Tapos, yung isa, gusto ko, dati ko pa ito sinasabi, gusto ko na-roll na na pipe. Kasi sobrang hirap nun na yung lines mo, kailangan mo ipakita lahat sa mata kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin. So, hindi ko challenge, sobra yon. Sobrang hirap. So, yun yung dalawang yun. Hindi ko pa siya nagagampanan. Kasi takot ako gampanan siya. Eh, princess, so excited ako doon. Ikaw.
Dream role sa theater would be, well, there's, I don't know if you see Rent, but I'd like to play Angel.
Panganiban?
But I won't expand on that too much, but that would be a challenge for me. Another dream role on TV. I'd like to play a dad, family man. Or priest. No, the family man, dad. Like my dad, My dad's a good dad. He taught me well.
Ayan. So in the future naman daw, if ever na magkaroon kayo ng other projects, separate projects, and you will be paired with other kapamilya stars, sinong actors daw or actresses ang gusto ninyong makasama?
Na hindi pa nakakasama or kahit nakasama na?
Na hindi pa nakakasama.
Umuha ka dyan pa sa mga dami na nakasama.
Sige, sabihin na natin yung hindi pa nakasama at saka yung nakasama. Sige, two answers.
I did already though. Once I want to work with, I work with them.
Si Maha gusto na. Kasi crush na si Maha.
Dancing act.
Yun.
Sino ba? Show starts today, by the way.
Yeah, watch. No, and Bea Alonso. Yeah, exactly. I worked with her already too.
Sino ba?
I'll thank you first.
Wow. Ako, yung mga nakasama ko na gusto ko ulit makasama. Si Lloydie, si John Lloyd. Kasi na-miss ko siya makatrabaho. Kasi yung tagal, last namin tawing ilog pa. Yun na talaga.
He's a good actor.
Oo, syempre. Oo nga, kaya nga nakakamiss eh. Yung hindi ko pa nakakasama, gusto ko makasama sino ba? Madami! Pero siguro, nauna. Si Papa, pinakasama ko kasi si Papa. Pero tagal na doon. Siguro Agapula.
Yeah, me too. Akamulak. Wow.
Yun. Or, Vilma Santos.
Me, Christina Hermosa. It's pretty.
So yun naman ang answers. And from Amy naman, sabi niya, Kay.
You know what? I also want to work with Roxanne.
Saan yun ako?
Because I was looking forward to that. How that might go.
Yeah, kasi dapat si Roxanne yung sa Bad Brothers. So, naka-workshop na niya at lahat.
Yeah, and after workshop, I was thinking, okay, this might work. So, if ever there's a project, Roxanne, let's work with it.
Okay.
Diba?
Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Okay, next question from Amy. For Kay, ano daw yung pagkakapareho at pagkakaiba ng friendship mo with the Blood Brothers cast and with your Tabing Ilog friends? And kasi parehong ensemble cast di ba yung Tabing Ilog and Blood Brothers? Meron bang similarities and differences? Nung time ba nakatrabaho mo yung cast ng Blood Brothers, parang nag-flashback ka dun sa time na yung pag nagbabonding kayo ng Tabing Ilog cast? offspring?
Actually, yun yung sinabi ko sa interview before, na natutuwa ako kasi after ng Ilocast, ngayon lang ako ulit nagkaroon ng group of friends na ganyan, na nakita ko sa Bad Brothers. Sobrang, kahit 1 week lang ako na nag-tape sa kanila, sobrang, grabe, sobrang warm, ganyan, na feeling ko, parang original cast ako na doon ako talaga dapat. And parang tagal-tagal. Sobrang never, hindi nila pinaramdam sa akin na na hindi ako dapat. I mean, hindi man hindi dapat, pero hindi nga kasi ako originally nakasama doon. Siya lang nagparamdam sa akin. Hindi, loko lang. No, because everyone's talking to me.
Except me.
Yun, mismo. So, sobrang what do you call this? Na-attach talaga ako sa kanila. Na-miss ko talaga sila sobra. As in, kahit ngayon, pag nakikita ko sila si Super Manuel, as in, ay, Super Manuel, ganyan. Siguro ang difference lang,
Short.
yun nga, ang short. Pero nakakagulat kasi sa sobrang ikli ng time na yun, naging close ako sa kanila. With Ilocast kasi, 5 years kayo magkakasama. Though hanggang ngayon, nakikita-kita pa rin naman kami na si Jody masipag mag-schedule ng reunion at least once a year. Tinatry namin makumpleto kami, pero ang hirap kasi ang iba-iba na kami ng schedules eh. Like si Lloydie ang busy na, si Jody din, si Des, si Baron. So, ang hirap na. Pero nakakamiss pa rin naman sila. So, I'm happy na ngayon dahil na busy na yung mga ilog friends ko. I have naman now the Bad Brothers na friends na diba? Na nakikita-kita pa rin naman kami. Kasama ko si Derek.
Yeah, Derek is such a big part of it.
Yeah, manonood kami ng movie.
He's always inviting us out.
Oo, ganyan.
And among the Bad Brothers cast daw, kanino kayo pinaka-close for Kay sa girls and for G sa boys? Kanino daw kayo pinaka-close?
I know for the girls.
Ako? Isagutin mo lang yung tanong.
Well, I know who you're close with.
Ikaw nga.
Oh, for me, who am I close with the girls?
Girls and boys.
For the girls, si Maria.
Boys?
Some boys, all of them.
No, just one. Closest.
Each of them different levels. Kasi si Will, parang brother ko yun. Kasi we're both from the States.
Both English boy.
And he's not from the States, but he's from out of Germany. And of course, Raph. Different level din yung usapan namin.
In short, basta Inglesero ka, madali mo makaklose.
No, Raph we're friends in a spiritual level. And then, but I'm closest to probably now, si Aaron.
Yeah, because you're working with him again.
Work with him again, and we have this bond.
James Bond.
James Bond. Like he wants to kiss me. That's how close we are. Diba? He does. He just doesn't want to show it.
Ako with girls, Mariel. Kasi ang sweet-sweet talaga ni Mariel. And sa boys, si Maning. Sa boys, kasama si Gucci.
No, it can't be us.
Or, hindi si Gucci, si Aaron din. No?
Yes.
Yeah, si Aaron.
Hi daw sa
Pareho
PG.
kami. Yun. Mariel and Aaron. Ikaw. Mariel and Aaron.
Wow. Hey, high five.
Okay, moving on. From Ann 80, ayan. Kinukumusta niya, Gucci, how are you with your Tagalog lessons? Ayan.
Well,
Marami na daw
obviously.
bang natutunan na
Okay, mas okay ngayon.
Kasi
sa dati.
weird Tagalog words?
Diba? Mas okay ako ngayon.
Oh, mas okay siya ngayon. Kasi